Money Academy.
If you are watching this video, it means you have a script and you want to convert it into a video using AI video maker. Look at this channel. Do you see the video and the outcome of the channel is great. This channel is the same look at the income of this one. You can see a lot of this style channel on YouTube. They have very good income. You can work in any niche you want to make a video like this one here, and you earn a lot of money. Of course, it doesn't matter if you don't have any skill. Just grab your laptop and let's get started. First step here, go to picture row. You will find the link in description and just create your account here. It's very simple. So after creating an account, I assume you have your script here. So you can go. First, go to this script to video here, and you will find it in the site and click proceed. On the site here, enter your video name. You just write your video name here, or title, and here you paste your script, and of course you will adjust it here like this one. And I will choose the scene. For me, I will just let this auto generate keyword, and here line break, you can just let it put and click proceed. The second step is to choose your template here. So go and select the template that you find very attractive for your video and just click select. I will go with this one. For me, you have the size here, you can choose whenever you want. For me, I will go with 916, or you can go with 69 if you want to make a video for YouTube, for example. And if you want to make a short, you can go with 916. We have to wait a little bit here, and here the magic happened. Our video is created with the script. The scenes are very good for me. You can adjust if you have some scene does not come true. So go to preview here. So great, the video is loading. You can change image if you want, or the scene, but for me, I think it's great. Go here and search for type or video as you like, and you can change the scene. Just click and the scene is just modify or edit. Here we can edit also our writing here, and for the audio we can just come here and add our audio here. Here we can choose from it, and here the gen. If I want to change, you can go with here and apply. And here for your voiceover, we can choose one of the AI voice, or you can upload your voice as you want. But to be honest, it's very simple. If you can drag your voice over here, but the AI is great here. I think the voice is like a human here. For the element here we can add. So go and check the site, and you can choose and search this app here. For now I will go and download my video here. I will choose 72 and just go to this button here and click download to see your video. Now when I'll just wait. My scene is created. I will stop it and go back after it's finished.